It's that if people with positive mindset and attitude work in a team and use appropriate technology, then 1 plus 1 can become 11. So friends, let us join hands to make it 11. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your insightful discussion and valid points made out. And I apologize for missing the very important part. No, absolutely. No, I think it's a very important thing that you made. For respect and gratitude, we would like to present our guest a token of memorabilia. Can I request Mr. Sanjay Arora, Co-Chairman, the Technical Program Committee, to present a memento to our honorable guest, Dr. Sanjay Kumar Panda, Secretary Textiles. Can I have a round of applause, please? Thank you, sir. Also, may I request Mr. J.P. Sarya, Trustee, the Textile Association India, Delhi, to present a memento to Ms. Sunaina Tomar, Joint Secretary Textile. There's another one, ma'am, for you for being present today also. Yeah. May I also request Mr. Ravi Bhushan Chauhan, Chairman, Delegation Registration Committee, to present a memento to honorable guest, Dr. Kavita Gupta, the Textile Commissioner. Thank you, ma'am. Before we proceed to the end of today's forum, I want to announce a small gift or presentation thing here. We have a gift sponsored by Paramount Technologies. A digital camera is being handed over every session, every half-day session. So there are already 3 cameras, I guess, that have been handed over. So this is probably the 4th one. Can I have the box of names here so that our honorable guest can take out a lucky winner? Mr. Sachin Bhatia from Paramount, can he please accompany? So if there are any people who are left to put their visiting cards, they're most welcome to do so now. Can I have Dr. Anil Gupta on stage, please? Can I also have Dr. Anil Gupta on stage? Can I also have Dr. Anil Gupta and Mr. Sachin Bhatia from Paramount? Okay, there are people left.
Honorable Secretary.
Excellent.
That's a chance.
Thank you so much. Yeah. What a beautiful.
The part of this conference, and it is a privilege to share the dais with distinguished guests in extending vote of thanks on behalf of TI. I wish to thank Honorable Secretary Textiles Dr. Sanjay Kumar Panda, Honorable Joint Secretary Madam Sunena Tomarji, Honorable Textile Commissioner Dr. Kavita Gupta ji, their presence here has boosted the morale of the participants and the organizers. My sincere thanks are due to our esteemed sponsors and partners. Without their support, this conference would not have become possible. I am thankful to our friends from media who have joined us today. I would also like to thank the distinguished speakers and panelists who have shared their knowledge and ideas for the betterment of the industry during National Textile Conference 2015. Yesterday we have a beautiful cultural evening. Our special thanks are due to the involvement of 3 colleges and their students who have made that evening beautiful and entertainment for all of us. The colleges were Ginni Devi from Modi Nagar, TIT from Bhiwani, and MIT University, Gurgaon. My special thanks are due to our knowledge partner, Mrs. Wazir Advisors, for their help and support. I would also like to thank our esteemed delegates, their audience. This audience is well consisting of industrialists, working professionals, academicians, and students. I would like to thank the dedicated organizing team of NTC 2015. Their hard work today have resulted in the conclusion of conference on a very highly successful note. Last but not the least, my thanks are due to everyone who have associated with this conference and whose names have been missed here. We would not forget contribution of anybody. Thank you and Jai Hind. Thank you.
The importance of the state governments. You know, all the exercise that we are doing, like the same day I had gone to Vizag, I happened to meet Honorable Chief Minister Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, and I spent 1 hour with him. And mind you, state government can give you much more than what his TOF is giving. So the point is that why not we look beyond TOF, you know. I am not telling that TOF is not important. TOF is important. We are trying for it. But for this, God's sake, let us try, the state government thing. And many of the state government, you see, again the first point that was mentioned, strength of our industry lies in generating employment. And employment for those who are not highly educated, what Kavita mentioned and President mentioned. So, with those issues, if we go to the state government, any Honorable Chief Minister, any Secretary Textile of the state government would be too happy to help you. And if you need any support in that thing, please don't hesitate to tell me or Kavita, because Kavita represents our field wing, and now she has come, and very less time, we are now rolling out a new reorganization of the Textile Commission office with having one office in each state. In fact, today we have finalized that arrangement. Every state there would be a person on behalf of Textile Commissioner who would be there to assist you on a day-to-day basis, and that will encompasses everything. Earlier Textile Commissioner was meant only for the Powerloom Weaver Service Center, but now Textile Commissioner will look after, your skill development, your infrastructure development, your implementation of TOF, then technical textile, and all other relating in a very, very comprehensive and inclusive manner. And she would be heading that team. So I must compliment her, because in a very less time, what I have been planning for about 6 months' time, she will be able to fructify it. I am quite hopeful that in the month of October itself, it will materialize. So let us work more closely. The Constitution provides for that. The center state, hand in hand, the development work has to be taken up. Let us pursue that matter. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And once again, I thank the audience for the patient hearing. Can I invite everybody to join us for a cup of tea now? Thank you.